probably should have videoed this for the PVA stage, just to finish everything off and seal it up for the night to fully cure. Here's the PVA. I put it into one of these. You get these at Home Depot and Lowe's or on Amazon. These Prevail sprayers. It didn't work that good. It comes out a little bit like waxy thick, I guess you would call it. So I just heaved it on as thick as I could on this makeshift repair that I did there. I sprayed a coating on here. I'm gonna probably hit that again because I think it's just running off really. So you can see it running off. But I think it's enough to coat everything. It's supposed to have a shiny finish when it's done, and we'll see if it cures shiny. I hit this little afterthought repair here with it, and then that little what do you call that thing? Little spider crack that I just kind of did a makeshift repair right there. I think since it's mold release, I probably should just wait, 30 minutes or so, come back and hit it with another spray, especially on this one, just to make sure that stuff is cured up. And then again in the morning, take soap and water and just wipe it down. So yeah, I can actually see it starting to dry out a little bit. So I might be able to hit that with a heat gun or hair dryer just to kind of encourage it along as well. Alright guys, we'll do this one in ultra high def just so you can see the final results of this gelcoat fiberglass redo. Tell it looks darker on video than it does here in the garage. This is definitely a shade darker than the stock SUV. It looks worse on video than it does in person, but it is definitely a shade darker. So I'm going to drop my mix ratios if I ever do a touch up again. Definitely not perfect. You can see the reflection of the garage windows there, kind of waving as it goes down. There's another little wave. All right. But from 3 feet away, I'm happy with it. Definitely bigger than having a big hole in it. Yeah, in the video it looks a half a shade darker, but a lot of this is going to get covered up with deck tape, of course. So this half is darker than this half. The reason for that is I sanded this one down from all the way from 220 grit all the way up to 7,000 grit wet. So when I first put this on, there's a big disparity in color between this and this, and then as I started hitting it with higher grits, then it started matching a little better. I think you can even probably see in the video that it's just a shade darker there than it is there. So yeah, I'm happy with it though. That'll play.